When I first stood before the Citadel of Hue, it wasn't just ancient walls I saw. It was a question. Where do stories like this begin? In 1968, during the Tet Offensive, this very citadel became a battlefield. For 26 days, every courtyard, every hall echoed with gunfire and smoke. Nearly 80% of the imperial city was destroyed. Palaces were reduced to rubble. Walls that once stood for royalty and power shook under the weight of war. I walked past bullet marks, still etched into stone. And yet, the morning light danced softly across them. Even in ruin, the citadel whispered a truth. Dreams are not built in silence. They are built in resistance. And that's when the tide turned. Vietnam didn't bury its past. It chose to restore it. In the early 1970s, reconstruction began, stone by stone, memory by memory. And in 1993, Hue's Imperial Citadel was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a global recognition of resilience. Today, the Five Phoenix Pavilion rises once again. No longer scarred by war, but shining with pride.